First one is once in a blue moon, means very rarely. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. All ears, listening carefully. Fingers crossed, hope for good luck. On cloud 9, extremely happy. To cut corner, doing very easily. Two peas in a pod, very close. A piece of cake, very easy. Rings bell, very familiar. Break a leg, good luck. Something is fishy, suspicious. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. Raining cats and dogs, means raining heavily. See eye to eye, agree for something. An apple of one eye, adored or dear person. Hit the sack, to go to the bed. Burn the midnight oil, means stay up late working. Break the ice, to start a conversation. Let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret. Under the weather, feeling sick. Hit the nail on the head, absolutely correct. Throw in the towel, to give up. Go the extra mile, to put extra effort. Bite the bullet, means to face the problem bravely. To hit the books, to study very hardly. To call it a day, to stop working. Beats me, don't know. To be in hot water, to be in trouble. Give the cold shoulder, intentionally ignore someone. In the same boat, in the same difficult situation. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. To have a green thumb, to be skilled at growing plants and gardening. To turn over a new leaf, to start in a different way. A blessing in disguise, a misfortune that eventually has good result. Ready to roll, ready to start. Apple pie order, in perfect order. Go nuts, very angry. Cool as cucumber, very calm. Miss the boat, to miss the opportunity. Hit the ground running, start with great energy. Beat around the bush, avoid talking about the main problem. Thank you for watching this video.